tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please.
Hey Forever Dolls, welcome back to my channel. So let me just tell you guys, I'm giving you all natural, no makeup, no eyebrows, no lashes, no nothing, y'all. I'm coming back to you guys fresh, pure, and ready to just jump into all kind of things. So as you can tell by the title of the video, you guys, I did do an Ulta and I did do a MAC haul. I mixed them together. Well, I decided to do them together because MAC, I only needed to pick up 2 things, and Ulta is where I did the majority of my shopping. So I just wanted to include the hauls together so it didn't really make pointless content. But you guys, we're gonna go ahead and get on into the video. But before we do, you guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button now. I'll wait. Okay. And if you are subscribed, you guys, or if you're just now subscribed, you guys, don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Click the little bell, you guys, right on the side of the subscribe notification. And you guys, you will never miss another video from me again. I'm telling you guys, you do not want to miss a video coming up moving forward, you guys. Let's just say that. Anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the video. Okay, you guys, so I know I'm like so corny. I know, I get it. I know, like, anyways, so you guys, I wanted to start off with my MAC haul first, simply because all I needed was 2 products from there, so it's real easy. We're gonna go ahead and get on started with the MAC. So you guys, let's just say, first of all, MAC has the cutest little shopping bags that you could ever have. On the side of Sephora, you guys, but I didn't do a Sephora haul. Maybe I should do a Sephora haul next. If you want to see a Sephora haul next, go ahead and comment in the comment section below and say, hey girl, do a Sephora haul next. And that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so anyways, you guys, let's just talk about what I went to go get from MAC. So like I said, I went to go get 2 products, and they were 2 majorly important products, okay? I'm just set the bag right back there. Okay, so I went to go get the MAC's Prep and Prime Spray. I went to go get this version. This is the glitter version, you guys. And I also went to go get the regular MAC Fix Plus. Let me see. Focus. I also went to go get this MAC Fix Plus Prime. You guys, I really love the boxes, like the glitter boxes, you guys. It makes you look like it's all plain and boring, and you know, you have a box, but really, you guys, check out MAC's glitter box, you guys. I really hope you get this. This one is the glitter. As you guys can see, pretty much the glitter sits right here at the bottom. And then you're supposed to shake it. I know you guys hit that little ball in there. You're supposed to shake it. And then everything is just mixed together and it's swirling around, and you're ready to spray and use on your client's face or your face yourself and be so luminous and glowy and just everything about the freaking spray that it's supposed to do. This, you guys, is the regular spray. It's the coconut version of the spray, so it is a little tan rather than the clear spray that the MAC Fix Plus normally comes in. I did get the coconut version. I just feel like it would soothe my skin better, and as well as my clients. So I did go with these 2, you guys, and let me just say, best decision I ever made. Okay, so now that I'm finished with that, let's go ahead and get on into this Ulta haul, y'all, because it was ridiculous. Okay, moving on. So let's just start off, being that we were already talking about sprays, you guys, we're gonna continue to talk about sprays. Let me tell you guys, the Morphe Continuous Spray, oh my god. Oh my god, y'all. When I say oh my god, I meant really oh my god. So I went ahead and picked up 4 of these babies, you guys, because at where I live at, everything by Morphe just seems to sell out, and it really pisses me off. And if y'all know, y'all been watching me from the beginning, I hate waiting for shipping. I hate shipping so much. Like, I want to go into the store, I want to get my products, I want them now. Like, now. You know? Okay, so I got 4 of the Morphe Continuous Setting Sprays, you guys. Like, they are a must grab. I think they price at about $16 a can. So, you know they bomb if I bought 4, because y'all know me, I'm cheap, okay? When I say cheap, I'm cheap. I try to spend my money on hair, as you can see, okay? Okay, so moving on. Let's get into some goodies. Okay, so I went and picked up 2 Real Technique brushes. Let's see if they're gonna focus for you guys. I picked up these 2 Real Technique brushes from Ulta, you guys. One is the Insta Pop face brush, and then one is a foundation brush, you guys. When I seen, let's go with the foundation brush first, because I'm assuming they're YouTubers. These brushes are by Sam and Nick, and oh my god, when I seen this brush, y'all, I was just like, a girl's gotta have it, you guys, as I am trying to build that up. So yes, that was my next purchase. Okay, so the next thing, you guys, that just really made me excited was the Juvia's Place palette, you guys. If you guys know me, you guys know that I just got onto her eyeshadow palettes, and they are freaking phenomenal. No palette that I have by her has ever disappointed me. She just, and look, she cares about her shipping apparently, and her packaging. She puts this bubble wrap around her freaking palette that lets you know, hey, I care about my product. Like, you know, I don't want it to break. So, you guys, let's go ahead and get on into, this is the Saharan by Juvia's palette, you guys. And I'm going to show you guys why it took me so long to, like, decide on this palette and, like, really choose this palette. Honestly, because it was a little bit of a soft glam palette to me, as well as neutral colors. And if you guys know me, I'm trying to get out of those neutral colors. I'm really trying to express myself in my makeup and in my eyeshadow. So it took me, I pondered on this palette a lot. But then I started to look at the colors, and I was like, okay, well, you can do natural looks, and you can also do really popping looks. So I decided to get the palette, you guys, and it was the best decision I ever made. I cannot wait to do looks with this palette for you guys. ColourPop was honestly my go-to affordable makeup brand, but now recently they just came into stores near us, which is the Ulta stores. And you guys, I went up and I picked up 3 different concealers. I picked up the Fair, I picked up the Deep, and I picked up the Deep. Moving on. Okay, the last 2 products, well, actually, okay, I got 3 concealers from ColourPop. See there? Didn't even know that. Look at there. Would have threw a concealer away. So, you guys, these 2 products can go together because they were in the same family. I went and got the Anastasia brow pencil, you guys. Life. Let me just say Life. That's all I'm going to say is Life. And then I did get me some more Anastasia brow dip pomade because mine just look like shit. Like shit. It looked like so much shit to the point to where every day I was having to go in and put like baby oil in there because that's how bad it was. So yeah, moving on. Thank God I'm over and done with that. So the last thing that I got from Ulta, you guys, was the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. If you guys watch my lives, you know that this primer is phenomenal. I use this primer on almost all my makeup looks because it's that bomb, you guys. Like, I don't use any other primer but this primer, honestly, you guys. If I'm not using this primer, then I'm not really priming my face, you guys, like I should be. And that's bad. So let's just needless to say that this primer is the bomb.com, and I wouldn't want to have it any other kind of way, you guys. That pretty much concludes my Ulta and Mac haul, you guys. If you like hauls on my channel, let me know. Say, hey girl, keep those hauls, and I will always do hauls for you guys. I'm not really sure how often, but I will always throw a haul in my channel, you guys. You have to let me know what you guys like, and I'm gonna do what you guys want. Right? Okay. Anyways, you guys, I love you all so much. Thank you for tuning in to my haul, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. See you later.